2019 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, steel wheels, speed control, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension. Your new ride is just a phone call away.